Hi, welcome to Art. This is Bereniche. In this video I'm going to make a color range, a very small color range. I'm going to use two tones or two colors in Liquitex, a dark blue and a yellow. And I'm going to measure each part specifically just to have a minute color range in green. On the dark blue, I'm using 50 milliliters, which is a teaspoon. I'm putting it in one of the containers, and on the yellow, I'm using a quarter teaspoon, and I'm going to use a teaspoon for each container, which is going to be 3, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of yellow into one container, 2/4 teaspoons into another container, and 3/4 teaspoons of the yellow into another container. And you'll see a very small range gradation on each one of them. As you can tell, there's a very small gradation between the 3 colors. The color on the right is the lightest, the color in the middle is the darkest, and the color at the end is the medium range. I hope this was helpful.